1, 2, 3, change.
There's something that I wanna do.
Change.
Something's getting in the way. Don't know how to, but you're going out with me. I swear we can get away.
You want more change? Jump on 20 minutes. Okay. I was flying drone. Wow.
Oh, that'll be good fun.
Oh my god.
So Aisha, would you cover photo for the video?
Morning. Where are you? We did it.
In the middle of nowhere.
Ah, okay. It's Uyano. It's there.
Yeah, and I don't know how it works, but everybody
No, Google Maps doesn't show this road.
doesn't show.
Doesn't show.
Oh.
It doesn't show that this road existed. Yeah, that's why.
We are here.
And yeah, and everybody first.
They go there first.
Stop.
Yeah, because that's the end of the road.
Johnny has always the coolest.
No,
I'm so like
just recently I
Nah,
just
come
got it.
on. I wanted to get this one so much.
Yeah,
that
I really
were,
loved it, yeah.
you were before than I did.
And it's orange too.
Yeah, we can put it inside. So, but ours.
Scooter is so much more convenient. You have
Yes.
this trunk, you have this place. I just have that little tiny box.
Yeah. First, I didn't even see that box. Sorry.
Yeah.
Okay.
But that's it.
Sunglasses comes on. Oh my god, this is a sunglasses team. Where is our sunglasses?
Yeah.
Dumb.
Aviator crew. Oh, it's matching too.
Cool guys, cool. Okay, let's go.
Wait.
Oh, like ninja.
Danger.
Ninja girl.
Girl, and must.
Oh my god.
Okay, wait Johnny. Put your helmet. Go. Put your helmet, Johnny.
Rihanna. Not there.
I son.
You said there.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Okay, give me money now.
Give me.
You're wrong. You give me now. You're wrong. You told us to go there.
Yeah, you're wrong. Let's go.
Something wrong.
Oh.
Evet. Ekipte kimler var? Aisha, Rusya'dan. Johnny, Amerikalı. Engin, Türkiye'den. Lena, Ukraine.
Always go on because you will burn it.
Go. No, we follow you first.
Alright, so today I'm in Wijaya. Okay. So today I'm in Wijaya Beach and we came to go snorkel. We happened to bump into Lola and her film crew. So they've done some really beautiful modeling in the water while we were snorkeling. And today just ended up being just such a crazy day. This is what I love about Sri Lanka. You never know what to expect. Enjoy the shoot. And I'm gonna enjoy my coffee. So down at that end of the beach, you have all the locals swimming because it's nice and protected. You guys can see there's a natural coral shelf that makes this like a pool. Emerald, beautiful pool. So it's beautiful to come hang out and sunbathe and take photos, but also it's easy to swim here. It's protected.
see me, think I'm the whole package. Toki, your girl, and me, yucky. Think I'm so exotic, lost in how you getting so erratic. Too much screen time, my grams at museum. 21st century Venus. Say you wanna meet up, tryna put some stock.
So Johnny, what did you see?
Some nice small fish, tropical fish. No turtles or anything.
No turtle yet?
It's still cool. But the funniest thing I saw.
What?
Let's go.
Let's go. More funny now?
Yeah, definitely.
I'll see you later. Oh, let's go.
She's there.
Okay.
I'm gonna go back in.
Okay. Okay.
have fun.
Okay.
So I don't know if you guys can see, but Engin and Aisha in the water right now, snorkeling. And you know, decent fish, and once in a while you can see a turtle here too. Plenty of seagrass. There's turtle. Really?
Big, really big.
Is he still there?
No, somewhere around. It's still there.
You really saw it?
We made it.
Pravda. I missed it.
Well, like,
I don't know how to explain.
it was scary. Was it scary?
No, it wasn't.
It wouldn't be scary. It's a turtle. Why would it be scary?
Big. I don't know.
Oh my god. Did you see the turtle as well?
Like, she's always here, the turtle. Like, always.
But we were
And
We were there. We
she's
didn't see
here
it.
like every day, and she comes all the way up to here, actually.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Okay.
She's
How
quite
do,
friendly.
how do you do the turtle call? I can't whistle. Can you whistle?
I don't know. No.
I can't whistle either.
I can. No.
Oh.
Okay, we will see in the video.
Yeah, you should.
That's good.
Is that your turtle dance? I can't believe we missed the turtle. I was looking for it. I swam the whole time up and down looking for this freaking turtle. Nichivu!
We were unlucky.
Nothing. Nada.
But come on, I was happy with the small fish.
Bez turtle. How do you say turtle?
Chiripata?
Chili partner.
Chiripata.
Bez chili partner. Good to your tea. That means where the hell are you? Why are you walking with the fins?
I'll take up.
Still huge.
So Inga saying the turtle was bigger than me.
Smaller.
Wait, you're gonna see it now.
Maybe it's the camera effect. Smaller. Yeah.
There's not. Wait, I'll find it now.
Okay, where is it?
Somewhere here.
Do you believe him or what?
I don't know. I think he's how do you say
Exaggerates.
exaggerates a bit.
Oh my god.
That is huge. That is huge. That is huge.
Is this from today? This looks like scuba diving.
Slow motion. Yes.
That's a big, yeah. That's a bolshoi.
I'm happy.
I secretly think that this video was taken like a few weeks ago, scuba diving somewhere, and he just kept it on the phone just to mess
Come on,
with us.
still don't believe me? Still don't believe me? Like we just saw, just here.
I believe you.
There's a Sri Lankan guy also helped us, so he could have told you that.
I asked these Sri Lankan guys, I was like, do you see a turtle? And they're like, looks like we have some people paddling out too. I wonder where the heck they're going to surf at, because that wave crashes right into that rock there. Alright, I see it. They're just going to make a hard left and then crash into the corals. Thank you, sir. Good coffee here. That's espresso, guys. So even though it's hard to find good coffee, it exists in Sri Lanka. Like, you just have to go to the right places. And my favorite thing about Sri Lanka in general is there's always something to do. Like, this is just like a random, weekday. And here we are. How cool is it? Look how beautiful this place is. How was the headshots?
Yeah, rocks, man. They're so textured.
Easy.
Where is it? Yeah, no, exactly these ones.
Oh wow,
Yeah,
that's
this
awesome.
one is
The
beautiful.
backlight, I love the backlight. Wow, that's awesome.
And I really like the ones. Yeah, I really like this one as well. And then, yeah, there you go. I really like
I really like
the necklace.
Another day in the life of a supermodel. Aloha. Amazing work.
Are you filming this whole time?
No, yeah, definitely. If people want to see the rest of your photos, where can they find it? Instagram
You can
or-
go to alohamakai.salt on Instagram.
Perfect. Can we see some of those photos from the beach when you had the chair? Where you almost killed yourselves on the sea urchin?
Yeah, it was risk taking.
Yeah. So these girls walked out, like while we were snorkeling, they walked out with a chair over their heads and said, "Hey Johnny, can you help me with this?" And I was like, "Yeah, sure," but there were sea urchins everywhere on the cliff. And they couldn't see it because they didn't have masks on, but yet they were brave enough to figure it out. So here are the shots.
Okay. So I took a lot of pictures.
Okay, let's go through a few of them.
So
Oh yeah,
you can see.
with the book, the chair,
Yeah.
the props, everything. Oh my god. It's so crazy. So if you guys can see, there's water and reflections in the front and in the back because they're literally sitting on like that there where there's like kind of water in between.
On the rock banks. I thought it was the sandbags, but it was actually
It's a rock.
clearly rock banks.
Yeah.
So yeah. Yeah, not bad, huh?
Oh my god. Yeah.
Just kind of... That's what you gotta do. I really love this one. With
Yeah.
the hands.
Yeah,
And
these are
then
really
the girls
beautiful.
start working with each other. So yeah.
Very
There
cool.
you go.
Good job, Aloha. Professional photographer. And the models?
Professional models.
What's your name and where are you from again?
Sorry?
What was your name again?
My name is Susanna.
Okay. Anyone? What are you on Instagram?
Zuzi Jacuzzi.
Zuzi Jacuzzi.
Jacuzzi.
Okay. And what was your Instagram?
Paloma Monapa.
Okay. She's our half Indian, half Tibetan
Yes,
model here in Sri Lanka. Thanks, guys. So no turtle this time.
No, not this time.
Okay.
We were lucky once. You get lucky once.
So
that's all.
maybe there was no actual turtle.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're done. We're done with Johnny not believing us.
So guys,
It's a group of hallucinations. If there's something.
so Liana, was there a turtle or no?
There was no turtle.
You don't believe us. Yes.
So I'm starting to think maybe these guys were just lying this whole time. Good thing I didn't leave and go into the water. Now I'm nice and dry. I've been having my coffee with all the models, so my life is not bad.
You're just jealous.
Today's new Russian word I learned is "Tnie umrosh."
It means you will not die.
Tnie umrosh. But then you might die.
Hide behind you.
It's like
They can see.
pitisa, tnie umrosh. 50-50. That's good enough. Good enough odds.
Someone just photoshopped it on the fake.
We're better lovers than fake friends. Whatever's better for you, we can pretend. Don't want another loose end, so it's in it for me. When I see you coming, one look back, I'm gonna hit the ground running. Just in case you're thinking, here goes nothing now.
most probably.
We'll come back for the pizza next time. That's good.
It's nobody's fault. These walls just got